Timavutika panyanja ya sauti ina mondwe wa kuopta malondola tuwa omadziko langwiro zitachoka mpunguzo.
Greetings from Malawi, and my name is Gibson Poyohane, Administrator of African Missions for Christ worldwide. We are on our way to Ngokwe after receiving reports that disaster had stricken there. People have been displaced. You know, they have moved from their homes to schools, and some are in mosques. So we are doing a follow-up journey. As I'm speaking, I'm standing at the Mpacha village, that is the TA Ngokwe. So as you can see, the shape of the road is very bad, and we have parked our vehicle. We have to walk for a distance of 15 kilometers. I don't know how much is that in terms of miles. You make a calculate if you are good in that. But we have to walk all that way to be able to get to Ngokwe. The road is in a bad shape. And where we are going to be seeing houses that are down, and families that are currently in lack of support in terms of food and shelter, beddings and clothes, because we are told that things have been washed away. So follow us as we move to Ngokwe. This is the direction from Chikweo. That is a road that leads to Mangochi, Ponde Mangochi, and we are moving towards now the eastern side where Ngokwe, TA Ngokwe is. So follow us as we go there so that you can see what and how big is the need where we are going. God bless you for watching this video. Thank you so much. I am Gibson Poyohane, Administrator of African Missions for Christ worldwide. I'm here at this house where you can see the situation of the house. This has fallen because of heavy rains. This is one of the houses. We'll be going to other houses as well. And with me here is Mama Faris Machinga, who is the owner of this house. As you can see, she has become homeless now with her one daughter who is here, and also other children that are here.
Faris Machinga, senior chief nyumba ya chitangozi lero lino ndi mvula imene yagwa. Nali ndi nyumba mundiana pamwezi ndi amuna. Pamene ndikanyamuka kuti aye nyumba itayioneni sizinali bwino. Mwana kuthamanga, amayi nyumba tathamanga niona. Ine kuthamanga kumutenga mwana wina, kuthamangaso kamutenga mwana wina. Ndemene chaonongeka kwenikweni ndi nkhuku zitatu zimene zinali pamazira. Imodzi ndi imene yapulumuka. Ndi kuza dishi ndi bigi na mazi. Nali mazi. Basi nethandizo langa loti mwina mwake mafuna mwina mwake atandipangira kapena nyumba kapena ngati zingakhale zotere.
Our sister here is Mama Faris Machinga, who is a victim of the disaster. Her house has collapsed. It was in the morning of this day, and she is a mother of 5, married. Her request is that if we could be able to assist her build the house or maintain the house so that she could live comfortably with the kids here. There are damages like property in the house, kitchen utensils have been damaged, food items have been destroyed in this house. So she's looking forward to African Missions to be able to assist her with this kind of food stuff and the other things so that she could be able to live again a life as normal. A lot of things have been destroyed in this area of Ngokwe, and we'll be taking you to some areas where you see by yourself on this video the situation, which is very hard. People are currently lack of food, clothing, and even shelter. We are asking and requesting for immediate assistance for these people. The TA approached us yesterday with these reports, and we said, no, we can't just sit down. We have to move out and see the situation by ourselves. So we thank God that there are people out there who are ready to assist in this situation. And we are really pleading with you, with the little you can, whatever you can provide for us to be able to reach out to people like these ones who are suffering this. Please come and join us through our website in the USA. We'll be providing you with that address and the like to be able to donate to these people. So we thank God for your assistance. God bless you. Thank you. As we are continuing with our journey of visiting victims of the disaster, I am now at the house of Mama Zwone Bewu. She's another victim again of the disaster here. Her house, we went inside there, but it's wet all over. She lacks support. She's a grandmother of 3. These are children from her daughter, who's psychologically, maybe she's affected. She cannot, perform as a human being. So she's taking care of those 3 children. Currently, they are away. We should have shown them on this video, on this picture. So she's another one, another mother who needs our support. Chandra mama, kwa njia ana
Zwone Bewu.
maito ndo bo. Yambone. Mavuto gani tuli mwa.
One mavuto gangu gazala monga kawale gona pangali mate nyumbani jereji. Eya kulima yangi ngukombola kulima. Eya
Wanache mkwete walingo.
Wanache wali 3.
Okay. Naje kamukisojo cyantuli tukamugise mwe.
Bazi munga muje nyumba yo yakulya yo yakuliunikira monga mumuonere mwere.
All right. As I said, she is Mama Zwone Bewu. Her challenge is that she's living in this small house and with these 3 kids that I mentioned. Now she's requesting for support in terms of building her a good house or a better house, so to speak, and also providing her with food. As you see, she is aged. She cannot go to the field and cultivate, by herself. So she needs support. We have to come in and help her. And she's also waiting for support in terms of clothing and also beddings. The house inside there is really shabby. So we really request that we come and rescue her from these problems. We thank God for all the provisions. Thank you so much.
Ndine sine chifingokwe ngamboma lino la Machinga. Panali pa 15 zanali pamene panabwera usiku mvula yopya. Anthu anga anandimbira mafoni kuti kuno ziweto nyumba zikugwa china chilichonse nchonongeka. Pamene tinaganizira kunena kuti yayi tauze African Missionary Christ kuti mwina mwake atithandize, and natumiza videos mmene anthu akuvutikira. Kufikira tsiku la zana afika pano anthu akuvutika kwambiri. Tikupempha kwa African Mission kuti chonde zithandizo zimenezi zifike kwa anthuwa. Fero tipopanda kuthandiza zinthu zipitirira kuonongeka kapena zivuta mmene zikukhalira kudera kuno.
This is a senior chief Ngokwe. That's traditional chief Ngokwe in Machinga district in Malawi, where we are. It was on 15th of this month, that's the day before yesterday, when heavy rains poured around the district, especially here in Ngokwe, where now we have experienced flash floods. These flash floods have caused a lot of damage, whereby many houses have collapsed, crops have been washed away, livestock as well have been affected. Many households, over 1,000 households, have been displaced. Some are in their relatives, some are in mosques, some are in Christian churches seeking for shelter. Apart from crops being washed away, livestock being washed away and killed, again, food items that were in these houses have also been washed away, including their clothes and beddings. That means people are lacking shelter. people are lacking food, people are lacking clothes, people are lacking blankets, people are lacking very important basic needs. Therefore, as a chief, I decided to request African Missions for Christ to help us. And we really always appreciate whenever we ask for help or assistance or a hand from African Missions, we are not disappointed. It is our prayer and humble request that our request will reach you as African Missions, and believe that you do something as quickly as possible, as many houses are still collapsing, many people are still seeking our help. Thank you so much, and may God bless you always as you help us. This is Senior Chief Ngokwe in Machinga District. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.